Welcome back here to Midday Kentucky. Bluegrass Medical Aesthetics offer many different options to help you look and feel better. Today we wanted to bring in the group's aesthetic director, Allison Briggs, to tell us about one of her patients, Kyle Lee, and his story with laser treatments. Thank you both for coming on the show today.
Thanks for having us, Katie.
Now, Allison, we love having you as a repeat guest on the show. You're always telling us about your injectables, facials, other things that you offer. But today we're diving into something new, and it's your laser options. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we have the new Luminous M22 laser that is an IPL and resurface treatment. So it gets rid of kind of those unwanted freckles, age spots, sunspots, and then it also is targeting resurfacing your skin and for, you know, scarring, for your just your overall complexion. So it really reverses the signs of aging. And Kyle here has been one of our patients. He had a series of treatments of 3, and he has had wonderful results, and it's really aged him backwards. And I put him on some good product as well from Glytone. So we just brightened him up and evened him out, and I mean, it's just taken years off of you, Kyle.
Well, thank you.
Kyle, we're going to be showing some before and after pictures of your results. Walk us through how you're feeling after your treatments.
I feel confident that the laser treatments worked, and it was just a result of years and years of me being in the sun, playing golf without sunscreen, at the pool, growing up basically without sunscreen, and lots of sun damage, lots of sunspots. So when David had approached me and said, you know, we can take care of that, we can kind of reverse that, I was a little skeptical at first, but after the first treatment, it wasn't much more than sitting in a dentist chair for about 30 minutes, and the results were amazing even after the first treatment.
So people at home that are maybe considering taking action to get rid of some of that sun damage that, you know, we all have, would you recommend it?
Oh, I would highly recommend it. Yes, it's pain-free, and you do see results after the very first time. And each time the results subsequently were good, and you could tell that it was getting better with each treatment.
And Allison, talk to us about how this machine works and, again, kind of what it can remedy.
Intense Pulse Light is a treatment that's targeting deep down into the dermis. So it's pulling pigment up to the surface of your skin, so it's pulling that melanin onto the outside, and so you kind of freckle up and darken for a couple of days, but really you just look like you've kind of popped out in the sun, so it's sneaky. And but then it just sloughs off after a few days, and you just look brighter and more revived. And it also targets broken capillaries, so you can get rid of just kind of where, you know, if you're of Irish descent, we get those broken capillaries which age us through the years from sun damage and genetics. It can cause slight rosacea in patients, but I've had wonderful results for rosacea or for broken capillaries, as well as the pigment. So those things really age us quickly, so you want to get rid of those, and it's just kind of our little magic eraser.
And is there any downtime with these treatments?
No, I mean, you're barely pink after afterward, and that might last a couple of hours, maybe even just an hour. And then you just go through that darkening and flaking for a couple of days, but it's nothing anyone really notices. Right,
so you're able to go right back to work?
Right. I was, yeah. My first treatment was in December, and we were attending a Christmas party that evening, and you know, I looked normal.
Well, you look great, and we appreciate you sharing your results with us today. And if you're interested at home, Allison, you have some specials to offer our viewers, right?
Yeah, so right now the treatments are going for $199 with us, so that's a really great deal because usually they're about $399.
Well, we appreciate you both coming in today, and always offering our viewers a little extra incentive.
Yeah,
Thanks again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's send things to break, but we have more Midday Kentucky on the other side.